Welcome to a world where creativity meets enchantment. In this video, we're diving into 12 DIY fairy light concepts that transform everyday spaces into magical havens. Whether you're looking to add a cozy glow to your living room, create a dreamy wedding backdrop, or craft something truly unique for your next gathering, these projects are perfect for every occasion. From whimsical mason jar lanterns to stunning light canopies and even glowing terrariums, each idea is simple, affordable, and brimming with charm. We'll guide you step by step through each concept, offering tips to spark your imagination and help you bring these luminous creations to life. So, grab your lights, unleash your creativity, and let's make your spaces shine like never before. Idea number 1: Whimsical mason jar lanterns. The image showcases a set of mason jars repurposed into enchanting fairy light lanterns. Each jar glows softly, radiating a warm light from the string of LEDs inside. The jars are filled with charming details like pressed wildflowers and delicate ribbons tied around the rims. Some have tiny white pebbles and seashells at the bottom, giving a subtle coastal touch. The lids are either removed or fitted with drilled holes to let the light flow freely. Perfect for tabletops or garden paths, these lanterns are easy to create. Simply insert battery-operated fairy lights into jars and decorate them to suit your theme. The result is a magical DIY lighting solution that turns any space into an ethereal haven. Idea number 2: Floating fairy light globes. This concept transforms transparent glass globes into floating light sources. In the image, these globes hover mid-air, emitting a golden glow that illuminates a serene garden. The globes appear suspended by thin, near-invisible wires, adding a sense of magic to the scene. To recreate this, purchase clear glass globes with openings and fill them with fairy lights. Use fishing line or clear thread to hang them from tree branches, ceilings, or pergolas. Ensure the lights are battery-operated for seamless placement. When completed, these floating globes create an ethereal atmosphere, perfect for garden parties or weddings. Idea number 3: Rustic driftwood string lights. This design incorporates natural driftwood and glowing fairy lights to evoke a beachy, rustic vibe. The driftwood is weathered, showcasing textures and knots that add character. Fairy lights wrap around each piece, weaving through the crevices for a natural look. Suspended horizontally or vertically, this DIY project is simple yet impactful. Collect driftwood from beaches or craft stores, and use battery-operated or plug-in lights to avoid excessive wiring. Secure the wood with clear fishing line or jute rope to hang it in your desired location. The result is a perfect blend of nature and light, ideal for outdoor or indoor spaces. Idea number 4: Magical curtain of lights. The image shows a sparkling curtain of warm fairy lights, draped elegantly from a wooden beam. The lights cascade down, forming a glowing wall of illumination. Perfect as a backdrop for special occasions, this setup is easy to make with curtain string lights. Hang them using hooks or adhesive strips, spacing them evenly for a neat look. For added flair, mix in lightweight faux vines or sheer fabric. This DIY project is ideal for creating cozy corners, enhancing romantic dinners, or serving as a photo backdrop. Idea number 5: Bottle fairy lights. This eco-friendly concept involves repurposing old glass bottles as light fixtures. The image depicts a variety of bottles in green, amber, and clear glass, each glowing with warm light from fairy strings inside. The bottles rest on a weathered wooden shelf, creating a rustic yet elegant look. To recreate, simply insert battery-operated fairy lights into the bottles, allowing the wires to twist and fill the space. Experiment with bottle sizes and colors for visual variety. This setup adds a warm, artisanal touch to any home or event space. Idea number 6, Starry Ceiling Lights. The image features a ceiling adorned with fairy lights arranged in starry patterns, mimicking a night sky. The room glows softly, offering a calming ambience. To achieve this, use adhesive hooks or nails to outline stars with fairy lights. Secure the lights in place to maintain the design. This DIY ceiling decoration works well in bedrooms or lounges, bringing a dreamy atmosphere indoors. Idea number 7, Lanterns of Light. The image displays paper lanterns hanging gracefully from tree branches, each glowing softly with fairy lights inside. The pastel hues of the lanterns, pale pink, baby blue, and soft yellow, add a delicate charm. To recreate this, purchase lightweight paper lanterns and insert battery-operated fairy lights into them. Attach a hook or string at the top to hang them securely. Vary the sizes and heights of the lanterns for an organic arrangement. This project is perfect for evening garden parties or weddings, creating a serene and dreamy atmosphere. Idea number 8, Fairy Light Terrariums. This DIY idea combines terrariums with fairy lights to create a cozy, glowing centerpiece. The image shows geometric glass terrariums filled with tiny LED fairy lights intertwined with green moss and white pebbles. The mix of natural elements with the soft, golden glow is stunning. To create these, choose terrariums in unique shapes, triangles, hexagons, or spheres. Layer moss, stones, or even small faux plants inside, then weave fairy lights through the setup. The compact size makes these perfect for tables, shelves, or mantelpieces. Idea number 9, Branching Elegance. The image showcases a mounted branch transformed into a glowing decorative piece. The branch, with its natural curves and texture, is wrapped in warm fairy lights and adorned with hanging crystal drops that catch the light beautifully. To recreate, find a sturdy branch and clean it thoroughly. Wrap fairy lights around it, securing them with clear tape or small clips. Hang the branch using brackets or strong cord, and add decorative elements like crystals, beads, or seasonal accents. This project is a great way to add character to a blank wall. Idea number 10, Fairy Light Canopy. This enchanting canopy creates a magical outdoor retreat. The The image shows fairy lights strung overhead in a tent-like formation, with the ends anchored to poles and gathered at a central point. Beneath the canopy is a cozy seating area with cushions and a small table. To replicate, use poles, trees, or other sturdy structures as anchors. Drape the lights in long strands, ensuring even spacing. Add soft seating, throws, and fairy lights to complete the ambience. Perfect for stargazing or intimate gatherings. Idea number 11, Jar of Fireflies. This concept brings the nostalgia of summer evenings alive. The image depicts a glass jar radiating warm light, resembling a jar full of fireflies. It sits on a rustic windowsill, casting a cozy glow. To create this, fill a clear jar with fairy lights, letting the wires coil naturally. For added effect, use jars with a slight tint or etch subtle patterns on the glass. Seal the lid loosely or leave it open for a natural touch. Ideal for decorating windows, patios, or nightstands. Idea number 12, Glowing Wreaths. This glowing wreath combines natural materials and fairy lights for a beautiful seasonal decoration. The image shows a vine-based wreath wrapped with tiny lights and decorated with faux flowers and foliage. The soft glow highlights the textures of the materials, creating a welcoming vibe. To make one, shape a wreath from grapevines or purchase a pre-made base. Wrap it tightly with fairy lights, tucking the battery pack discreetly behind the foliage. Add decorative flowers or ornaments based on the season, roses for summer, pine cones for winter. Hang it on your door or wall to spread cheer year-round. That's all the 12 ideas for your DIY fairy lights projects. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative ideas. Share your favorite concept in the comments below.